Namaste everyone, welcome back to today's art session. Today we are going to learn draw the missing parts. You can complete this activity either with crayons or color pencils. So we'll do this in visual art book. If you don't have the visual art book, you can practice it on plain A4 size paper. So let's start. Let's start with the first shape. Our first shape is square. Okay, the guidelines are given. Either you can use the scale to complete the activity, or you can draw it with free hand. You can practice these squares on plain A4 size paper also. Draw it very neatly. Then we will trace this shape with sketch pen and color it with crayons or color pencil. Complete it very neatly. Make sure that color should not go out of the box. So practice this square shape on the remaining boxes also. Now we'll start with the next shape, that is kite. Again draw the square properly and join the diagonal lines. Trace with sketch pen, and you can choose any color of your choice and complete this. Like this, you can practice these kites on these two shapes. Now our next shape is triangle. Triangle has three sides. We'll complete this triangle. Like this, you can complete these triangles or practice it on A4 size paper. Now same thing, with the help of triangle you complete the Santa cap. Either you can follow the same color or you can do any color by your own choice. Now if for this gray shade, if you don't have the gray shade, you can use the normal pencil to complete this color. Like this you can complete the remaining Santa cap activity. Now we'll move to next shape. Our next shape is circle. So follow the guidelines and complete it properly. While doing the sketching, your hand should be very stable. Like this you can complete the remaining circle and practice these circles on A4 size paper also. Now we'll move to, with the help of circle you can complete the ball activity. Join the shape very neatly. Complete this remaining ball. Now we move to next shape, that is pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Like this complete the rest of the pentagon activity. Now we'll move to next shape, semicircle. Like this complete the rest of the semicircle. Now with the help of semicircle we can make a, draw this diya very carefully. Like this you can complete the rest of the diyas. Now we'll move to next shape, that is wavy lines. Join the lines very carefully. Join this and complete the snake very carefully. You can draw some dots on the body of the snake. So like this you can complete the remaining snakes and practice for the wavy lines. So these, today we have learned all the basic shape: square, triangle, circle, pentagon, semicircle and wavy lines. Practice this in rough notebook also. I hope everybody enjoyed this session. Thank you.